The Book of Psalms, chapter 102. O YAHUAH, hear my prayer and let my cry come to you. Do not hide your face from me in the day of my distress. Incline your ear to me. In the day that I call, answer me speedily. For my days are consumed like smoke, and my bones are burned like a hearth. My heart is stricken and withered like grass, for I have forgotten to eat my bread. Because of the sound of my sighing, my bones have cleaved to my flesh. I have been like a pelican of the wilderness. I have been like an owl of the desert. I have watched, and I am as a bird alone on the housetop. My enemies reproached me all day long. Those who rave against me have sworn against me. For I have eaten ashes like bread and mixed my drink with tears because of your displeasure and your wrath. For you have lifted me up and thrown me down. My days are like a shadow that lengthens, and I wither away like grass. But you, O YAHUAH, shall be enthroned forever, and the remembrance of you be to all generations. You yourself shall arise and have compassion on Tsiyon, for the time to favor her, the appointed time has come. For your servants have been pleased with her stones, and they favor her dust. And the nations shall fear the name of YAHUAH, and all the sovereigns of the earth your esteem. For YAHUAH shall build up Tsiyon, he shall appear in his esteem. He shall turn unto the prayer of the destitute, and he shall not despise their prayer. This is written for a generation to come, so that a people to be created praise Yah. For he looked down from the height of his set-apart place. From the heaven YAHUAH viewed the earth, to hear the groaning of the prisoner, to release those appointed to death, to declare the name of YAHUAH in Tsiyon and his praise in Jerusalem, when peoples gather together and reigns to serve YAHUAH. He has humbled my strength in the way. He has shortened my days. I said, O my El, do not take me away in the midst of my days. Your years are throughout all generations. You did found the earth of old, and the heavens are the work of your hands. They shall perish, but you remain, and all of them grow old like a garment. You changed them like a coat, and they are changed. But you are the same, and your years have no end. The sons of your servants continue, and their seed is established before you.